I think it's about time that we need to talk about why I haven't done any tutorial videos. And maybe the answer is with this box that I recently purchased. So if you want to know what I'm talking about, stay tuned right after this. Hello everybody, this is Patrick from Dutchy Tech Tips, and I hope you're having a good day. Now you're probably wondering why we haven't done any tutorial videos. Well, the majority of our tutorial videos requires me to use a virtual machine. In this case, I use a Dell Precision T5500. Why? It allows me to have the option to have two Xeon CPUs. So fortunately, I was prepping about 2 years ago to start doing tutorial videos again. And the power supply decided to go explode. Or, pop out, whatever you want to call it. And I reset the breaker. And what was weird about it, it kept on arcing. That is very bad. And I never seen anything like that before. So I went and I found something on PB Tech. But until just recently, I decided to put an order in, and hopefully I got the right one. So the plan is to show you and demonstrate me swapping in it. And what's really good about it, it is modular. So all I have to do is take the wiring harness out and plop it in. And fingers crossed that hopefully this machine will be up and running and I can start creating tutorial videos for you guys again. So bear with me, this is going to be a very difficult video to shoot, and hopefully, thumbs up, you might enjoy it. Alright, so hopefully you can see the computer case. So this is the power supply that is faulty. So right down here you should see, I don't know if you can see on the camera, where my finger's pointing, that is the wire harness. And then if I move the case a little bit over, there's about 4 screws on the side, and I might put a picture of it in the video. So first thing I need to do is to watch out for all the cables and try and get this wiring harness out. And I think there's a clip. I don't know if I can reach it. There should be a clip it's one big huge block. Trying to pull it out. Oh, that isn't tight. So why is it not coming out? So this is very, very difficult to get out. And I thought it would be. Perhaps if I try and take the power supply, perhaps if I come on the other end and take the 4 screws out first. So there's one screw on there, another screw over here. Ah, I see. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so is that supposed to come out? I don't know. And the power supply should just pop out. There we go. Obviously, that can come out. Oh. So oh yay, got it. So hopefully, with a bit of leverage, I can get this wiring harness out. This is much trickier than I thought it would be. I made my first mistake. So if you have a look, I made my first mistake. It has 2 clips. So this is the faulty power supply. This is the brand new power supply. I don't know if the camera can see that, and if I got the right way up. And ooh, this plug looks a bit different, a bit wider. I hope this fits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and reassemble this. I believe it's supposed to go facing. Yep, that should be the right way. So it should be able to. Actually, if I think of it, I can probably reseat it and then replug it. So if I reseat it like so, okay, so that should just, got to be careful that I don't damage any cables. there we go, slots in there. And if I got my clips the right way, and it should just clip into place. Yes, got it. As you can see, now the wiring harness is back in. Right, now I'm going to put the 4 screws back in here, and we need to put that down. Right, so apparently there's a decorative bezel, or a black bezel, that's part of the design, so make sure that's firmly in place. Why is the screw spinning? It's not properly pushed back. Right, so screws should just... there we go, the holes are... I have finally lined up the holes. Right, so I got the all four screws on here, and you need to push that down, and I'll grab the cover. Make sure it's the right, make sure the cover is the right way up. And which way is, no, that's down. So Dell's facing downwards. And okay, why is it not closing? So that didn't take too long, about 5 or 10 minutes. Now, because I haven't done anything like that before, that's why it probably took longer, and trying to feel my way and figuring out how to get the plug off and then trying to refit it. And obviously I didn't give it enough force. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and check the computer, and I'll let you know if it's going to work. Woohoo! It's working! Yay! I just did a test off screen and it was working. Able to log into Windows 10, no problems, but I have to check all the other software first, but it is working. Finally, I can get some tutorial videos. So look out, YouTube, look out, world. We're going to have some tutorial videos coming to you very soon. Thank you for watching this video. It means a lot to us. You can help us out by becoming a Patreon or buying stuff from our shop. Otherwise, you can like, share, comment, and watch more of our videos. Until the next video, see you later.